this, I am going to try to show you how I manage Zotero. Might give you an insight and it may not, and some of you may be much more experienced and can share more insights with me. But I usually work with the downloaded app in Zotero. And to start out, I will first make sure that my app is open and that I have the folder selected that I want the resource to go into. So I'm going to click the ARMR folder. Then I will go into my browser of choice. I like Chrome. I have it set up so I can put a little SCH into my browser bar and it automatically allows me to search Google Scholar. I'm going to paste in the title of the article that Mark had shared with us called Measuring the Effectiveness of Virtual Training. Then, because I have the Zotero extension installed, I see if there's more than if there, I see a little folder if I'm looking at search results or a document icon up here next to my search bar in Chrome if it's just one item that I want to add. So I click on the folder. If this was 10 different resources, I can select the 10 or the 5 that I want to add to my library. Click OK. And then many times it will also give me the download, which it seems to have done here. But if it has not, I can click the link in Scholar if it gives it to me to get to the download. I would then download that PDF onto my downloads folder. And I think I already have it there. I'm going to hit save. And then if I just try to position my downloads folder um, together with my Zotero window. So there's my downloads folder. Here's my Zotero window. And I'm just going to drag the downloaded PDF on top of the entry, and it will give me the PDF as part of that record. I can also used to be able to right click on the attachment and it would say rename parent, rename this file to be the name of the author and the article. That's not showing up in the recording, of course. Um, but that was also, I had the Zot file extension added on that allowed me to do that. So maybe with some updates, that's not available, but it will let me then open up the PDF. I can highlight in here, and I can also add notes. Um, or comments, and those will be shared with everybody, I think. Um, I was also able to extract those comments into a file. So I hope that really, really quick overview of how I use